Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy. Yeah, it's your boy. Back at it again, man. Man, there's some crazy stuff going on, man. So, I know y'all done heard about this music festival Rolling Loud, you know. A bunch of hip hop, you know, R&B and all them rappers and singers and all that, they perform at Rolling Loud. Man. So apparently, two rappers done got into it. There's a beef between NBA YoungBoy and Grizzley. Apparently they've been beefing for a while, but I had no earthly idea. You know, I don't really listen to them like that, but apparently they've been beefing. So I guess they, you know, we in the same place at the same time. It was a shooting. It was Grizzley camp and NBA YoungBoy camp shooting at each other down in Miami at the well, like the Trump Hotel, something like that. They shooting at each other. An innocent man. This bullet went 3 lanes, 3 busy car lanes, and like 2 parking lots, and hit this guy, killed him. You know, he dead now. And apparently, NBA YoungBoy, some girl was with him. She got hit too, and that's crazy, man. Like, it's really wild stuff going on out here. Like, that man was just, he woke up like it was a regular day. He didn't know that was gonna happen to him. Woke up like it was a regular day, went to work and all that. Ended up getting shot and killed. Y'all gotta stay prayed up out here, cause you never know what's gonna happen, man. So, I mean, shit, I don't know what to say, man. Like, when I heard that, it hit me. I'm like, damn, man, that could have been anybody. So y'all, when y'all go out to these places, y'all stay safe, stay prayed up, man, cause anything can happen out here, man. And all this happened fairly recently. This was apparently yesterday when this happened. So all this information, y'all want to look deep into it, you can just search it up on Google, you know. That's crazy, man. But, you know, that's my little spill on it. But I'm going to catch y'all later. I'm going to catch y'all later. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that. Leave me a comment. I'm going to respond to it and everything. I appreciate the love and support. I'm out.